Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Daniel Adelbo here for Money Views. As you can see, I just got this application and I went to sleep. And every 30 minutes, I'm being paid money. It is funny, right? All I have to do is to download this application. Then, after that, every 30 minutes, I'll be paid money. I'll be paid a cryptocurrency known as PPM. Now, this thing is free. All you have to do is just to watch this video to the very end to ensure that you get the full information. I will show you the app that pays you for chatting. It's even more secure than even WhatsApp in most cases. I'm going to tell you why I said that. Nevertheless, so this application is paying me every 30 minutes by just downloading it and just went and sleep. So I went to sleep and I wake up this morning and I've seen so many transactions that has occurred on my application. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready to make money online, it's very important you click the red button. If you're ready to subscribe and like this video, because when you like this video, it helps you to push up out to other people. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into the video. The name of this application is a chatting app, is known as Punk Panda. So let's go to my Google Play Store here. So it's also available on iOS. Since I'm using Android, all I have to do is go to my Google Play Store and search for the application known as Pound Punk, then Panda. So I'm going to search for Punk Panda and let's see what's going to pop up for us. So yeah, this is the application Punk Panda from owned by Contrast. Now, this application is so wonderful that a lot of people has actually downloaded it. Let me show you something about it here. So you can see, let's see the review. Let's see the review. So that we people that actually get a review. See, they say this person said that this is revolutionary. It is changing the way we socialize and earn passive money. So on this application, you socialize. That is, you chat, you connect with people, and you also earn money passively. This is crazy, but it's true. I've shown you my dashboard. It is crazy, but it's true. This one said getting paid for doing what I do every day means getting paid daily. So good thinking, more robust feature will be added. So this application is new, and since it is new, it's very advisable you take good use of it and start anywhere you chat. And this application has a very promising future. And one thing about it that it is secured with military's security. So it is impossible for your data to be stolen. WhatsApp is owned by Facebook. So most cases, although they claim not to do that, but it is very, very possible that's taking your WhatsApp, you're taking your WhatsApp data to Facebook so that they can use it to target you and take money from your pocket. So you got. So now all you have to do is just download the application. This application I think is about 38 MB or there, but just download it and install it. So immediately download and install it, you'll be brought to where you are going to register. So literally for you to register, all you need is your phone number. When you put in your phone number, it will automatically detect the country you are. So this is available worldwide. If you're in Nigeria, anywhere you are, it's available worldwide. So all you have to do is to put in your country code. It will detect country code, of course. Put in your phone number, then OTP will be sent to you. So you put in the OTP, then copy and paste the OTP, then you just sign in and you're good to go. Now it's going to tell you to put in an invite code. It's very important because without invite code, you won't be able to use the application. Truth, I'm actually telling the truth. So let me check my invite code. They actually use somebody invite code to be able to be part of this wonderful application. So you see my invite code on the screen, which is 917371. 917371. So I'll put it on the link below. Just copy it in the link below. You see the description box below. You see 917371. Just copy it and put it in the invite code so that you'll be able to use this application. So immediately you are in the invite code. So to tell you that you want to scan through your contact to look for people that actually downloaded this application. So you just normally scan through your contact and pick up people that actually downloaded this application. And this application is paying. It is real, paying you in currency, in cryptocurrency. Now, one thing you must note is that it has a minimum withdrawal, and you can actually withdraw. So when I click on withdraw up here, and I'm going to select address. So I'm going to select address. Then you have all these address to select. Literally, I have a Trust Wallet. So wallet is very easy to download. Just go online and download it. So all you have to do is your Trust Wallet title. You can just put your Trust Wallet title, any title available. Then you just put in your address, your Trust Wallet address, put it there, and you click on save. The money will be taken from this app to your Trust Wallet, and from your Trust Wallet, you can use to do any conversion, or you can even exchange it for money in that naira or any other thing that you want to. So ladies and gentlemen, it's very important you make good use of this application now. Every 30 minutes you'll be giving money, cryptocurrency, PPM. Here you go. So let's try to get this application, download it, register, put in the invite code, which you shall see on your screen, which is 917371. 917371. Just put it there so you have opportunity to start using it. So ladies and gentlemen, start using it now, enjoy it, and let's grow up together. So if you have gotten value in this video, kindly click on the red button to subscribe. And of course, let me tell you, this application you can chat. You can chat with people and friends. You can chat with family and friends. So these are some of the people I have that are currently in on this application, and I can create groups just like WhatsApp. and I can do voice call, I think they can do video call, but I know of only voice call. So this voice call, you all have to do just to get in touch with somebody. For example, let me say I want to call this person now. It's very simple. So that's the same way WhatsApp do. So I'm just going to click on, okay, there's also video call, and the people that are giving reviews say that even the video call is more clearer and standard than that of WhatsApp. So it is important to just download the application and start chatting. It's just the normal thing you do every day. Chat with friends and family, share with your friends and family, chat. Your data is secured, and you also make money online. So let's jump right into it. Make use of this value. Don't just leave it on the table. Start using it now. So ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you have gotten value in this video, click on the red button to subscribe for a quick video on how you can make money online, how to be more productive online, and how to enhance your business. So I'm Daniel Adeoboye. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.